today. Firstly, what are you hearing both from the Nepalese authorities and also from the Chinese in Tibet?
We've been focusing on discussions with the Nepalese authorities, and they're saying that it's a race to save lives right now before night falls. And so helicopters have been deployed, including military helicopters. This is a remote area, hard to reach. It's in Rasuwa, which is north of Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal, and near the border with Tibet, as you mentioned. And so the true scale of the disaster, of the casualties, that's something we may not fully know until tomorrow or in the next few days, given how hard it is to reach there. Police have said they're struggling to reach dozens of their own officers, their team, and sadly, Nepal in this region is no stranger to deadly floods like these. Last year, a glacier burst on the Chinese side and 18 people died then. But in this case, officials fear that the casualties could be higher. And of course, there is that warning from Nepal's tourism board of hundreds of travelers that are currently unaccounted for, including more than 100 people from India and 12 from the United Kingdom.